Hey Xuan, you heard about the newest meme?
What's a meme?
Oh my. Artsy, get over here!
Thanks, Sumal. Anyways, what you need, Lols?
Xuan doesn't know what a meme is. We have to fix her.
I always knew this day would come. Okay, let's start this surgery. To begin, I'm going to cut her in half. Every person has two gears, an intelligence gear and a humor gear. Xuan's intelligence gear is moving above average, but her humor gear hasn't moved since 2020. But if I speed up her gear a little bit, then she'll be more funny. Got it?
Got it.
There we go. Time to stitch her up.
So Xuan, how you feeling?
In the year 2025, there will be a surge in pop culture. Some of these being the Italian brain rot, mango, the number 67, and mustard.
What are you talking about?
I might have sped up the gear too fast.